Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing Govee RGB strips. These are the Wi-Fi smart RGB strips that are 32.8 foot. They work with the Amazon and the Google Assistant. They also have a built-in app, which is right here, named Govee Home. This strip was kindly given to me. I've won from a giveaway from Nextstriker and Govee collaboration, which is amazing. I've been watching Nextstriker for years, and it's crazy to win from a big YouTuber like him. So I'll play the clip right now of that.
I picked out a few names from my last video and I placed them in a hat. And of course, those names came from the comments. So let's go ahead and pick out a name, and that person will win something awesome. So congratulations, Tech Reviews TV. You have won a strip of Govee RGB lights.
Yeah, so that's just amazing that I won. To see my channel, I was just shocked. Anyways, it arrived today, so we can get into it. This one has a set timer, DIY scenes, and is safe to use. It also has a remote control, adjustable brightness, and music mode. This one is model H6195, 24 volts, 2.5 amps, and 60 watts of power. So in here you have a like it, share it card. So if you like the product, you can give a review. If you don't like it, you can contact them. You have a user manual. You have a disclaimer pamphlet and a installation card. I'll be getting into this video on how to set them up. That right there is how to properly set up a corner, like on a TV. You just put it in a loop and it won't damage the strips. So you have two RGB strips. Both of them are 16.4 feet. Right here on the right side we have a power adapter. So this one seems to be just a nice plain white cord, which is really cool. And then right here we have a ton of stuff. We have alcohol prep pads, 4 alcohol prep pads, 4 full bags of mounting clips and mounting screws. I believe there's 5 mounting clips in each bag, a total of 20 clips and 20 screws, I believe. You definitely have a lot of accessories when it comes to mounting, and I've never had an issue when mounting Govee strips. They'll last forever. So this time we have a RGB remote, which is interesting, and you can also use the app, the remote, as well as the control panel. So you have on, play, pause, auto. You have a mode button, you can adjust the speed. You have the music mode button, you can adjust the brightness, change the color, white, RGB. Just quick access, which is nice. And then you also have the power adapter, and then right here you have the control panel, and it's a Govee branded. So these are just overall extremely very good. Has a nice tactile click to all the buttons instead of a subtle click like the RGB IC ones. So it also has a 3M adhesive on the back, which you can mount on any surface that's clean. So that's everything you get in the box. A lot of stuff. So here are the strips. All you have to do is the power cable, AC adapter, like so, and then to the control box cord right here. Can't really break these strips, which is what I like. You just plug it in just like this, which it only goes in one way, which is pretty cool. The place with that top part. So that's how you know. And then you just plug this into power. I believe this is a music mode. So you have tons of colors. You have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, lighter blue, purple, and then white. So you have a ton of colors. And then right here you have the music mode. It's pretty good though. There we go. In sync. And these are once again really bright. Govee strips are really bright. Let's test out the remote. Very, very, very fast. This is the I receiver, which has a 360-degree field of view. Make sure that's in sight. Just works flawlessly. Music mode. Boom. Very nice. And then you can change the modes. And then, yeah, you have red, green, blue. Just different types of modes. Add a lot of functionality with these strips. Just overall amazing. Out with the old, in with the new. I'm going to be replacing my old RGB strips, which I'm going to save for another video, or maybe just give them away. I'm not too sure, because they still do work. The main reason I'm doing this is because these are Wi-Fi strips, and I didn't realize, but they're 65 feet, and it just goes around my room perfectly, and I'm able to do an extra design, and it just is way more convenient rather than having a little power supply that hangs midair basically, because the other original power supply on my Nexalumi lights did break about a week ago. So this came in clutch. So thank you Govee and Nextraker for sending them out to me. It means a lot to me once again. So this is how my setup is basically. I just cleaned off the wall with the alcohol prep pad and went ahead and used a 3M cable management clip and just did that. And then I just went all around the thing and basically put extra brackets pretty much where I needed to put them. And it was pretty simple. It took about an hour and a half to 2 hours, which is typical for about over 50-foot strips. And what I like about the remote is that you don't even really have to point at it. It's 360 degrees, which I really love. And just is super easy and convenient to be able to use if I want to quickly change the lights without talking to my Google Assistant. So once again, you can just quickly change RGB and W and as well as music mode. And they look very nice, very vibrant. They're not as bright as my previous Nexalumi lights, but they are still pretty bright. Turn off the main lights.
Sure, turning main off. Okay, turning main on.
Change the main lights to red.
Got it, changing main to red.